Hey everyone, it's Jess from ColDesi, and today I'm working on a really fun project making custom tiles using the Sawgrass Sublimation printer. Now this is a really good business plan for any sublimators out there looking to get in with real estate agents, interior designers, or even construction companies. And by the end of this video, I'll let you know just how much custom murals like these retail on online shops like Etsy. So let's get started. So first, I'm printing my Italy-inspired design on Beaver Texprint 11x17 sublimation paper. Next, I'm going to use some surface cleaner to wipe down these tiles just to make sure I get rid of any extra dirt or debris. So now I'm over at my heat press. I'm going to take my Teflon pillow and lay it down on the bottom platen. Then I'll take my printed transfer here and I'll lay it right on top. And this next part, you're going to want to be very careful and make sure that you line up your tiles as straight as you can. So these tiles do have some weight to them, which is helping them stay secure into place. But if you feel more comfortable, you can use some heat tape to secure them down. Now I'm going to take a finishing sheet, place it right on top, and I'm going to carefully close this pretty slowly. And you want to make sure that you have this set to a light pressure. All right, for this next step, I'm just going to use some heat gloves so that I don't get burnt. I'm going to remove this top finishing sheet, and then we can just take these right off. So as you can see, one by one, these are coming together pretty nicely here. And I'm going to lay them over on a side table. So as you can see, we have a really nice finished product here that makes a great statement piece for any kitchen or just home decor. And now I'll show you another one. So as you can see, I already have this next design set up. I'm just going to place a finishing sheet right on top. And you can find written instructions on the product page on colemanandcompany.com. But time and temperature will vary depending on the size tiles you're using and how many you're using as well. But for this project, we found that 400 degrees at 6 minutes works best. So time is up. I'm going to remove my finishing sheet from the top, and I'm going to try and remove these straight up to prevent any ghosting. Then we'll just move them to the side so that we can line them up. All right, now I'm just going to place them together. It's kind of fun. It's like a little puzzle. And we have our finished design. So after a quick online search, we were able to find that these custom tiles range anywhere from $100 to $150 on online shops like Etsy. And you don't only need to do murals like this. You can easily just do a single design on each of these tiles. Now the great thing about sublimation is that there aren't a lot of supplies that are needed, and it's affordable to get into. So if you want to find any of the products we used here in this video today, visit colemanandcompany.com. Thanks for watching.